With me here is a GMC Terrain 2011. Today I got a little bit of a problem with the washer fluid. As it turns out, it doesn't work. So you can see here, nothing is coming out. So I went ahead and bought a brand new pump. There's a new one, and I'm gonna replace it myself, as you can see here. So first thing they gotta do is turn the wheel to the other side so you can have a space to open up the current over here. Right. Oh, let me just turn off the vehicle just so I can safely disconnect it. Okay. Then I got a drill here. It's gonna take these screws out. Yeah, the washer fluid pump is located on the driver side, front end. Okay, so I got it right over here, and that is the pump that doesn't work. I'm gonna take it out and put a new one in there. It's a work that takes you about 10 minutes, give or take. Here, let me just get a clear look of it. Right, so oh man, I see the pump is full. I'm gonna have to drain that. Oh shit, it's gonna go to waste. I have to drain all the fluid because I had it full. Okay, just put that away. So yeah, just make sure before you put a new pump there, or before you take out the old one, make sure it's completely empty. Okay. Alright, let's see here. Okay. It's gonna take a minute to pop this one out. Yeah, sorry about the clarity. Just gonna pop this bad boy here. I'm gonna get something to pop it out. Okay. I got a flat screwdriver here. It's gonna be able to just take this one out. Okay. Okay, let's just what do is just push this one up. Right up. Okay. Right up there. Okay. Okay. Nice. So now that that part is out, I'm gonna pop this one out. Okay. And then the other one here. It's just right up. Look at that. So now that the old one is out, I'm gonna put a new one. Yeah, sorry about that, guys. Okay, so right up here, I'm gonna put the new one here, and then the other part, this side here. Okay.
And then the electrical right here. Right there. Okay. And then just, I just shove it in there. Right there. And just make sure it snaps into that little. Okay. So just right there. And then tilt it and then snap it in there. Sweet. Okay. Whew.
I hope I have enough water fluid in there. Nice. Okay. See here. Okay, looks like the tank is empty. Yep, see, look at that. Sweet. All right. Thanks for checking out, guys. This was an easy job, less than 10 minutes, and save yourself a lot of money. I just spent about $23 to buy the washer fluid pump, and it took me about less than 10 minutes to replace it. All you gotta do is just have a drill or a screwdriver, turn the wheel on the other side and pop that thing out and put a new one. Bingo.